know why it took me so long. You left to Arizona, I stayed in California.
Yep, it's happened again. Hey, what is going up, guys? It's your boy Mikey, and yes, I'm here with another back-to-back kind of video. So this is just kind of like an update video of what's been going on, and reading the title of this video, yeah, it's happened again. So earlier this week, or maybe last week, I was on Grailed, you know, like I usually do, try to see some cool steals and everything, because I'm trying to sell my Concords. So I ended up running into this guy, and he said, okay, like how much on the Concords, and I was like, around 230, 240. He was like, alright, bet, I could trade you for some stuff. I'm like, alright, what are your offers? He's like, some Yeezys, some other Jordans. I'm like, alright, bet, what kind of Yeezys do you have? Now, mind you, if you looked at my SneakerCon video, which you should go check out, link will be in the description down below, but I actually wanted a pair of royal blue ones, and I also wanted some Yeezys. So I got the ones, but they weren't in the condition that I really wanted it to be in, but I didn't get the Yeezys. So I saw this as an opportunity. I was like, alright, let me get some Yeezys finally. So he said he had some ice yellow Yeezys, what else did he have? Beluga 2.0s, Zebras, Blue Tints, and so on and so forth. So I was like, alright, I could trade you for the Beluga 2.0s. He's like, alright, bet. So we were about to do this trade and everything like that. Now this was going on in Grailed in the message chat. But after like maybe a few sentences there and there, we switched to IG because I wanted more pictures and stuff. So we sent pics and exchanged them and everything like that. But I felt like the pics that he was sending weren't exactly like really great pics. So I was like, alright, can you send me a little bit more? He did send up a little bit more, so I was like, okay, cool. I wanted to get them legit checked by this group on Discord, but they never really hit me back. So I was just like, alright, well, telling by my mind's eye and the way I see it, and also Google, thank you Google, shout outs to Google by the way. They were legitimate, so I was like, alright, cool. So I was ending up like saying, hey yo, we can make the trade the next day and whatnot. Dude hits me up and is like, alright, cool, bet. We can actually exchange videos of us actually shipping it together and everything, so it doesn't seem like it's fake or anything, so it's nice and safe. I was like, alright, bet, cool. No one actually ever does that, so alright, it sounds legit and everything. Next day comes, so I'm ready, packaging everything, getting everything ready, print the shipping label, and I was headed out. So we both headed out pretty much at the same time, and we went to the post office, exchanged videos and everything, and so on and so forth. And then eventually we shipped them both. So he sent a video of himself shipping it, and I sent a video of myself shipping it. That ended up happening and everything. It was cool, everything was gravy, everything was good. So I sent him the picture of the receipt of the tracking number and everything, and he might have sent me one, but then I re-asked him, oh, can you send it again, because I might have not screenshotted it. He's like, oh, well, blah, 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 I don't have it right now, but I'll call him to make sure Monday to give you the tracking info. I was like, alright, cool. So not only that, this was set on priority shipping, so it's gonna happen within 1 to 3 days. 1 to 3 days comes, and he gets his package, and your boy, that package was nowhere to be found. So along with the Yeezys that I never got, pretty much, I also actually got this shirt. Shout out to my man Joespeh, by the way. You can also check his stuff out. He makes shirts and everything, designs them and everything. You can check his info out in the link in the description down below. If you actually look at this shirt, it's actually really cool. It says, it's Mikey, like kind of like in a thank you bag kind of style, and I really dig stuff like that. Also, he did that as kind of a congratulatory achievement, saying, hey, yo, congrats on 100 subs. And actually, let me read you the note, actually. So this is the little note that he sent me and everything. Super dope. He's like, hey, congratulations on hitting 100 subscribers. I'm proud to see that you are grinding. I know you will see the results in the near future. I hope you enjoy this as a gift, as a token of hustle and motivation. Joe, Julio, Joseph. So really shouts out to him, man. That really made my day, because I was already not having it that day, and also figuring out that I actually got scammed for some Yeezys that I never really got. So yeah, shout outs to you, man. I really appreciate that. But anywho, along with the story, basically I never got the Yeezys. I still haven't. I'm trying to find a way to, I guess, file some cases and everything. But like I said, it was a straight trade, so there's not really much to be tracked. So basically that's what happened. So it kind of sucked, and I was really bummed out about it, but the shirt kind of made up for it. So I was like, alright, it's cool. At least I have people there for me, even at my darkest moments, my darkest times. So it's cool. I kind of wanted this to be an awareness, you know, just be careful on what you buy and who you buy off of, you know, in trading and everything. Grailed, it may seem legitimate, but also there's a lot of scammers out there as well. not only Grail, but Bump, Goat, you know, so on and so forth. You just got to be careful and actually know your stuff. Like, I've been getting so much like scammer emails and scammer stuff about my Royal Ones because I listed them up on eBay and stuff. So, and I already caught them already, so it was good. It was good from there. But the way the Conquerors went out, I just never expected it. I'd never seen anybody actually go out their way to actually videotape themselves sending a package that never really was sent. It was kind of like maybe a fake video or something. You live and you learn, you know. It's definitely one of those things that I'll definitely take into account, and I'm just probably not going to do any trades anymore. So if you actually do want to find me on Bump or Grailed, it's Mikey, the same way that I spelled this channel. And if you're looking to purchase some things, make sure it's straight through the app. I do not take any exceptions whatsoever. You have to purchase straight through the app unless I know you personally, then we may get into contact. But if you don't really know me and I don't really know you and I can't really trust you like that, I'm starting to have trust issues, that may never even happen. So yeah, purchase straight through the app. That's all I gotta say. But yeah, that's pretty much what happened. I just got scanned off some Concours. I mean, it kind of had red flags because, you know, the Beluga 2.0s, the value of those are kind of a lot higher than the Concours would be. So I was like, okay, I don't know anybody who would actually do that straight trade. That's kind of weird. Also, you know, we're sending our information and everything. Seemed legit at first, but you know, things started to click when I look back at those messages, and I'm just like, okay, this seems a little odd. But after that, you know, I tried to get in contact with him. Obviously, he deleted his Instagram. He blocked me off Grail. Bruh. So I couldn't get in contact with him, and he changed his names and everything. So I'm just like, all right, this dude's definitely a scammer. So that's when I found out that I got scammed, and I was really bummed out, and I was really pissed. And I was like, damn, I lost another pair of shoes. First my Supreme shirt and my black cement 3s, now my Concord 11s. I'm like, damn, that's a lot of money. That's already $500 to $600 lost. It's a really sad situation. So yeah, that's $600 I could have probably made and, you know, bought some more Yeezys or something, I don't know. But on the bright side, I got an email sent to me from Yeezy Supply, and they have a countdown. So we may not know what this countdown will be, but from what I'm hearing and from what I'm seeing, it's gonna be a huge restock. So I'm super pumped about that actually. It actually takes place tomorrow morning. So 6 a.m. PST, Pacific Standard Time, and it's gonna be, I think, what, 9 Eastern Standard Time. So you do the whole time zone thing. So I just know in my area it's gonna be 6 a.m. I'm pretty happy about that. I might bulk up, I might not. I do want a pair of Yeezys that I still have never gotten in the first place, so that's gonna happen. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. But yes, that's pretty much what went down. Just like I said, be careful of who and what you buy off of. Even those third-party apps like Bump and Grail, you still cannot trust them 100%. I still do want to work on those platforms, but I'm kind of easing my way out of it a little bit more to StockX, because at least it gets sent to like authenticators and people that do it for you. But that is my video, guys. Thank you guys for watching so much. Thank you for the 100 subs, by the way. I'm really happy about that. There will be a giveaway video in the near future. Like I said, I'll probably leave updates on it on Instagram. If you actually follow me, it's nice Mike with 2 E's with nice_Mike, by the way. So thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
Call home like, mama, look how it turned out. Everything I did was all bad, and now I'm trying to get it all back. Summer boy gotta fall back. Yeah, I call God, he ain't call back.